Typhoon, because I had never been.
You've been here or not?
Yeah, but like 10 years ago.
Alright, so same, I think.
Okay, have you been to Typhoon before?
I've been here.
I heard Typhoon has a better wave pool.
Yeah, that's the only thing.
I've never
I don't
been.
know. I was like, I'm training until Wednesday.
What's up? What's going on? Hey, hey.
Sorry.
The big ones, like purple snip.
Right, Jackie?
Those?
Yep.
I was like,
9, 10, 11. No shoes, it's crazy. It's not burning?
No.
if my kids tell me that it was a tobogán. Pero yo no sabía que era eso.
Walk into the top. Oh.
Where's that one?
People go.
Cute. Oh, I'm taking a video.
Ah.
I'm so nervous. Oh, it is cool. Bye, Luis. Go, go, Jackie. Bye, Jackie. Oh my God. I'm not okay. That's so scary as fuck. Did you get it? Bye. Bye.
Do you feel it?
Oh.
No.
Oh!
You want to flip? Oh, it's because you're heavier.
You think you want to flip?
Just jump off. I feel like there's gonna be a drop.
Why was not?
You guys gonna do it?
Chug, chug, chug.
God,
Oh
damn.
my God, Luis.
Pero Luis traga.
At least what? You beat me to
Like, I
it.
was trying to swallow with like a burp already there, so it was like
I love the excuses. I love the excuses. Vamos.
not 20 anymore. Cheers.
Hey.
Okay, let's save these.
You know the big glass mugs
Where?
from
Twin Peaks.
Twin Peaks?
Oh, those are good. The beer one?
The beer one.
Those I love Twin Peaks.
I on my birthday
I'll have
like
a-
3 years ago.
Okay.
I drank 2 back to back.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah.
That's the
I
best.
hate-
It's good. I squatted yesterday.
Even when I was doing CrossFit, I could barely walk.
No, I'm not doing that.
What, you wanna do it?
Because what if I fly
No, hell no.
side? Everyone else in the water!
Thank you. Yeah, this is not gonna come out good, the video. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't get shit. Well, how you got that far?
I was like way ahead of it, and then I just saw him like.
That was crazy. So who won?
I won. You just went further. No, I won.
So is it?
Saying that I was like way in front of you, and then all I saw was
I thought you got stuck.
I got stuck.
yeah. You're like
Stomach on the toboggan and hold on with both hands. When you reach the finish line, push down on the handles and come to a...
Oh shit! Whoa! I kid you not, I thought I was gonna drown this time.
Monkey bars and shit.
That Jackie's not doing.
the monkey bars.
If you really want those monkey bars.
Yeah.
I'll hold on with my arms, not my ankle.
I don't know
Fit.
Wait, what?
We're supposed to be fit.
Supposed to be.
We literally work out all the time.
At least it's shade here. We're not standing in the sun.
This is you like dragging off of me.
Cause Simba in the back.
No, I'm out of fucking oxygen.
Yeah.
Are you good?
Oh, you recorded that great.
Yeah.
Yep.
Wow.
Everyone's huffing and puffing over here.
We are supposed to be fit. Sam is not helping us.
Good job, Sam.
She just doesn't have her mouth
I'm
open.
good at faking it.
She just doesn't have her mouth open.
I'm controlling my breathing.
It's like, look at how controlled my breathing is. Everybody in through your nose.
After this, I say we take a break.
I want a lazy river.
And the Levy River.
Lazy river back to our bags and whatever.
Want a break?
Don't lie.
What?
Don't lie.
That's Sam.
That's Sylvia.
No, that's Sam. Oh my god! Holy shit! Now it's Sylvia, now it's Sylvia. Woo!
Yeah.
It was bad?
It was fast. No, fast.
Fast? Oh, of course!
And I expected.
How fun! Oh shit! That was so close.
Bro,
That was so close.
bro, she knows what she's doing.
How close was I?
Like, pretty fucking close.
Like this.
You know what you was doing though, so. Yeah, I know.
Wow.
I will like terrible.
He apologized. I'm like, oh, I don't. Why is he?
I know.
But like, it was waiting. Oh,
Do we shake it? No, right?
oh, wait. Two separate. We're waiting for you, Sabrina. All right, guys. Cheers. Happy birthday, Simba. Oh, not bad. Oh, that was good. It tastes like yeah.
I'm so drunk right now.
What? Happy birthday to
Okay, starting. Hold it straight. Starting. There. We have to act it out?
Yeah, it's an act it out. A mime? Stop, down,
You can't talk.
roll over. Sit, down, roll over. Stop, drop, and roll over. Thank you. Stop, drop, and roll, fuck. Kite? Flying a kite?
Yeah.
Wow, I don't know how I got that. An elephant? A muscle bodybuilder.
Oh yeah.
Writing a book? Wait. Oh, making a sandwich. Vomiting.
After the vomit.
A burp?
Like that.
No talking.
A kangaroo. Yeah, that thing. I don't know how.
That's okay. You got it.
Okay, I know. Okay.
You got it.
Oh, abrir cortina. Open window. A ski. Row. No. Oh yeah, in the water, no? In the water. In the water. Oh, a tire. Wheel. Some backflip. Oh, shoot. Kill. A bird.
Ice Age.
Sloth, a mammoth. No. Sloth. Squirrel, chipmunk, squirrel. Saber-tooth tiger. Werewolf, I don't know. Cheetah. Cat. Frog, toad. Turkey.